Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the interests of the poor have been at the centre of every budget of his government. Addressing the BJP Parliamentary Party meeting in New Delhi today, Modi said the Union Budget 2023-24 have taken care of all the sections of the society. Briefing the media, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi quoted the Prime Minister as saying that this Union Budget has been brought keeping in mind the interests of the poor. Joshi informed that the Prime Minister said that whenever the budget is presented, there are always a few people to oppose it. But this time, even those who are against the ideology of BJP have welcomed the budget.
बजट हम प्रेजेंट करते हैं, कुछ लोग तो विरोध करने वाले तो रहता है, लेकिन इस बार लगभग जो नॉर्मली भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विचार के खिलाफ है, वो लोग भी बजट का स्वागत किया है। ये उल्लेख माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया है।